Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters in Islam. Today I will be teaching us 7 prayers that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam left behind for us. That whenever we want Allah to change our current situation, to change us from being poor to wealth, we should stick to these 7 prayers and our life will be transformed positively. The first dua is that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam normally used to pray to Allah is Allahumma igfirli dhanbi wa wasi'li fi dari wa barik fi rizqi. Again, Allahumma igfirli dhanbi wa wasi'li fi dari wa barik fi rizqi. Oh Allah, igfirli dhanbi, forgive me of my sin. Wa wasi'li fi dari, expand, grant me spaciousness in my home. Spaciousness means to be so comfortable and contented with your house, with the home, to be blessed. If Allah blessed your home for you, even if it is a room, you won't feel it. It is not a poverty in disguise, it is a blessing. Make me to be happy, make my home to be peaceful, make me to be blessed. Then make it spacious for me, grant me spaciousness in my home. Wabarik fi rizqi, and as well grant me barakah. Barik, put your blessing in the wealth that you give me. You might be surprised that we are talking about prayer that will attract us, that will make us change our situation from being poor to rich. Then we say wabarik fi rizqi. Which risk? Yes, you have it. No matter how poor you are, you still have it. Then appreciate the little and seek for Allah's blessing, seek for His barakah. When He put that barakah in it, you will have little, but you will even feel it. You won't know that you have little. It is the barakah that can make the little that you have to make people to be feel you as a wealthy person. If Allah put barakah in it, you'll be living your life contentedly without being worried of anything, without having any problem, and gradually it will be increasing. That is the first prayer. The second prayer, according to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is ashukru. Ashukru. قال الله تعالى في القرآن: لئن شكرتم لأزيدنكم ولئن كفرتم إن عذابي لشديد. Oh Allah, Allah Akbar kabira. قال الله تعالى: لئن شكرتم لأزيدنكم ولئن كفرتم إن عذابي لشديد. لئن شكرتم, if you give gratitude, لئن شكرتم, if you appreciate the little that I gave you, لأزيدنكم, I will surely multiply it, I will surely increase it. Meanwhile, you should always give thanks and show gratitude on any, no matter, irrespective of your situation. Make sure that you are appreciating the little that you are having. Then you are, with that, you are requesting for more. Appreciate Allah for the little He did to you, for the little He blessed you with, then it shall be increased. This reminds me of a little story. I was reading one interview of a Japanese man that was interviewed about some months ago. The guy name is a multimillionaire in the of Japanese man. He's a Japanese man and he's a multimillionaire man. His name is an entrepreneur. His name is Walid Kada. Now they are calling him Wahid Kada. Wahid Kada was interviewed and they asked him during the interview that, man, tell us, can you share with us the secret to your wealth? How come that you keep increasing in wealth no matter the condition of the economy? Then the man smiled and he said, the secret to his wealth is arigato money. What? Come again? He said arigato money. What's the meaning of arigato in Japanese language? Arigato means appreciating money, like free money, gratitude money. He said whenever he did any transaction, whenever he transacted or he earned any money, he will thank that money, he will appreciate that money. He will say, oh money, thank you. Then I want to laugh. Wow, what is this? So, according to his belief, because he's not a Muslim, Adimbi is a Muslim, he will reason and remember this higher. But according to his own belief, he understands that when you give thanks, the blessing shall be multiplied, shall come in force, right? So I now reflect this together, that this, according to his belief, this is how it happened. But I remember that this is what Allah told us. This is a secret of wealth. Mind it and note it down. Make sure that you are giving thanks and you are showing appreciation to every little thing that Allah bless you with. If you are talking, it is a blessing. Appreciate it. The little that you are eating, even though you did not like it, just appreciate it, then request. Allah will grant you what you want. The third prayer here is Allahumma akthirli mali. Allahumma akthirli mali. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam normally used this prayer as well to seek for Allah's blessing. Allahumma akthirli mali wa waladi wa barik li fima atitani. Oh Allah, akthirli mali, increase me in wealth. Oh Allah, make my wealth and my children, abundant. Allahumma akthirli mali, make my wealth and my children abundant. Wa waladi, and my children. Then wa barik li fima atitani. Then put your barakah in what you give me. This is a simple dua, but it is powerful. Don't forget that whatever we have from Prophet Muhammad is authentic. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's the third prayer as a Muslim that we should note and stick to whenever we want to pray or request wealth or richness from Allah. The third prayer is Rabbi Gfirli. Rabbi Gfirli, Rabbi Gfirli. Just say this kalma. Rabbi Gfirli, Rabbi Gfirli, Rabbi Gfirli. Say it 2 times like this. Rabbi Gfirli, Rabbi Gfirli. Then this has a specific time. Whenever you put your head, between the 2 sajda, if you do Allah Akbar, you put your head on the ground, then you raise it up back, right? During that moment, that is when the Prophet said we should be doing this to her. Rabbi Gfirli, Rabbi Gfirli. Then go for the second sajda. I hope you understand. Then, if you don't want to use Rabbi Gfirli, there is another dua that you must be doing this as well in that same period, between the 2 sajda. The prayer goes as Allahumma gfirli, oh Allah forgive me, warhamni, oh Allah show your mercy upon me, wahdini, oh Allah guide me, wajburni, oh Allah fix me, fix all my affairs, wajburni, fix all my affairs ya Rabbi, wa'afini ya Rabbi, oh Allah cure me from all the diseases, warzuqni, and bless me, increase me in wealth. Bless me with all type of blessing. Bless me with it. Warfa'ni, then elevate me. In so whatsoever I am doing, elevate me. Change my condition from being poor, from being bad, from being little to big, to much, and to abundance. So this prayer is very comprehensive and it is powerful. Don't forget again that whatever we got from Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is authentic. So we should be sticking to this dua and use it to supplicate to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and surely you will see changes. Then the fifth dua is the dua that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to beg to request from Allah. When during the era of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a man visited sallallahu alaihi wasallam at his house. He came. The man was feeling hungry. Then he came. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam. He met Prophet Muhammad sitting down. He asked him, oh Muhammad, do you have anything at home that I can eat? Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He asked his wife, that's my wives, is there anything at home that we can give to this man? None of them. They said there's nothing. None of them have anything at home to give. Then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam nodded and he raised up his hand like this and he said, Allahumma inni as'aluka. Oh Allah, me, I am asking you min fadlika. Oh Allah, I'm asking you min fadlika, from your bounty. Min fadlika. Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlika. Oh Allah, I am asking you from your bounty. Wa rahmatika, and your mercy. Fa innahu la yamlikuha illa anta. Because no one has these two illa anta, but you. Then I am asking for these two from you, and you should give it to me. So this is a scope, and it is a secret for us. We should stick to this dua as well, and we're doing it. Then the sixth prayer is the dua that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam normally do after the Fajr prayer. What is Fajr prayer? That is Salatul Subhi. Immediately we finish Salatul Subhi, we should make sure that we are doing this dua. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a. Oh Allah, I am seeking, requesting from you ilman nafi'a, a beneficial knowledge. What is a beneficial knowledge? Beneficial knowledge it has 2 meanings. Beneficial knowledge in the sense that the knowledge that will be beneficial to you. Then the second meaning, it says that the knowledge that will be beneficial to you and people will be benefiting it from you as well. Oh Allah, Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a. Bless me with a beneficial knowledge, warizqan tayyiba, and a beautiful way, peaceful way. وعملا متقبلا. This dua, which is Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we got it from Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We should be doing it after Fajr prayer. Whoever doing it, the situation will be changed from being poor to a rich or a wealthy person. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And the last dua that we are having here, which is the seventh one, is istighfar. Allah Ta'ala في القرآن وقل استغفروا ربكم إنه كان غفارا يرسل السماء عليكم مدرارا ويمددكم بأموال وبنين ويجعل لكم جنات ويجعل لكم أنهارا. Allah Akbar Kabira. Istighfar also is very powerful. It's very powerful. We might be looking at this dua as simple dua, that this simple dua, subhanallah. But don't forget that it is from Muhammad, and وَهُوَ لَا يَنْتِقُ عَنِ الْهَوَىٰ. The Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has pure tongue, pure mouth, pure brain. Everything about him is pure. He is connected. Whatever he said is a blessing. He's the one that will get this from him. He normally use it to pray to Allah, to request blessing of Allah. Then leave it to us that we should be doing it. If you do it, your life will be transformed positively. Then we will stop here today, as we promised that today we dedicate today for the prayers, that if we use it to pray to Allah, our situation will be changed from being poor to a rich person or to a wealthy condition. نسأل الله أن ينفعنا بما علمنا ويبارك في رزقنا وكذلك أن يجعل آخر كلماتنا لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. We are going to stop here today. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your view there, then hit the subscribe button. Until next week Friday, I said Assalamu alaikum.